Hello everyone, I welcome you to today's episode of training. My name is Bimbuki. In today's training, we'll be learning how to make a whiteboard animation. So I'll be showing you what a whiteboard animation really means. Okay, this is a sample of a So that's a sample of whiteboard animation. So for us to do this type of animation, the first thing to do is to go to our Play Store and download. You go to your Google Play Store. You download an app called, you click on search app and game. So you just download the app called Benin. So when you type Benin, it will bring the app. So this is it. So you install it. So after you have installed the app, the next thing for you is to open the app. So once you open it, it will just bring this interface for you. So when you see this interface on your phone, you click on this plus button that is down here. So when you click on the plus button, you will see this page. Name your animation. So you can just give your animation any name you want. So I can name it project 1. Project 1. But mind you, whenever you want to write this name, don't put any space in between. If there is space, it will not work. Okay, let me illustrate what I'm saying. Project 1 like this, it will not work. Let's see. So once you have named it, you just click on this create project. Project name should not contain space, you see, it will not work. You just name it like that. Project 1, create project. So you have it will just go straight to the page. This is the page that we want to work on. So the first thing you do is you choose the color of your background. This background here, so you can decide any background you want for it. You can decide to make the background images, or you make it plain. So if you want to make it images, just select the images. When you select images, it will take you directly to your phone. So just go to any images that you want. You can just choose any images that you want. Okay, let me choose this one. This house. Assuming I want to use this house for my images for this project. Although doing this type of project, I like using plain whiteboard, but for the purpose of this class, I will be using an image. So you just press OK. But if you don't want to use image, you can change it. You just press the background, select color. So if you select color, you just select any color you want as your background. So that one will be a plain. It won't show as image. So let's just try and use the image and see how it will be. So since the background of this thing is a house, so we need to make our project something like building, or our project has to relate to house, to building house. So let me just advertise someone that is doing POP and painting and all that. So it will be okay for this design that we are doing. So the first thing is you type the what you want for this page. So you can just go to this text, click on text and type. But before you type, you scroll to here, you see where there is hand. So click the hand. So you can choose any hand that you want to be writing what you want to write. But if you don't want any hand to write it, you choose this hand that they have already circled, that they have cancelled. So if you choose the first one, it will just be writing but the hand will not be showing. But if you choose all other ones, the as it's writing the hand will be showing. Let's just choose the one that the hand is not showing for the purpose of this lesson. So I've choose the hand that I want to use now. So I need to add text to my to this page. So the text I want to, let me just click on text. So you can decide to type whatever you want to write, or you can go to any app that is good for writing, that you can just go and write it there and paste it there. I would like to go to ChatGPT. If you don't have it on your phone, you can just download it, or you can go to WhatsApp Meta AI. So you can just write whatever you want there and just paste it here. Let me show you what I'm saying. So I'll go to ChatGPT now. So what can I help with? So I want the ChatGPT to help me to advertise advertisement speech. Is it speech or state sentences for use love concepts. So use love concept. So you tell him what use love concept do. So e deals with painting, screening, POP design, POP designing, and POP designing. So our advertisement sentences for use love concept will deal with painting, screening, and POP design. So you just first you send it, and it will give you an idea of what you can use for your advert. Oh, sorry, I forget to on my data. So these are words you can use for the advert. You can see it's not necessary you use all of them, so you can just use the one you want. Yeah, clean cache advertising several. So I would like to copy it from here, because if you don't copy it, next you might not see it there when next you open it. So I'll just copy all of them. This self concept only plain roles. So I'll just highlight the ones I want. So I've copied it. I will now go to my notes now and go and paste it there. So from there it will be easy for me to be copying it one by one. So that's it. I'll just paste it. Okay. So I'll now be carrying it one by one. The first statement is use love concept turning plain words into perfect art with expert painting, script and POP design. So I'll just copy that one and go to my work. So text, you select text and paste it there. Once you have pasted it, you just click on this insert to insert the words on it. So it won't be nice like this. So you need to change some things like the color, the text. So let me change the color first. um will this one be okay? Okay. Now, assuming we are using a plain assuming we are using plain background, the color of our text will be coming out very well. But because we are using a house, that's why the color of the text is not coming. um okay, let's try this. And now we also give it I will also give it an animation. So this animation, you edit this part, delay and duration. If you want it to delay before this text come, you increase this number. If you want the duration of this text to be longer, you increase it. So you just edit it as you wish. So let me just write 4 seconds for this one. I don't want it to delay. Pause. I don't want it to pause. So it's okay like this. The animation that you want. This is bounce, flash, pause. Just select any animation that you want. Let me use this bounce in. So permit me to change this background. Okay, let's play our work. Let's see the beauty first. This is how your work will be shown. Let me change this background. I don't like it. It's not making the text to be beautiful. Background. Let me use color. I prefer using plain color. Plain color like this. Alright, this one is okay. So if you use plain color, anything you write on it, it will show nicely. So I'll change the size of this text from 100. 100 is too much. 60. Or you can drag it if you want. So I want it to be up here because I still want to put image on it on this page. So putting image. So you just click on this sticker, this part. If you come to this part, you see sticker. When you click on the sticker, it will take you directly to your gallery. You just add any image that you want that can befit that. It should be nice. It's a waste. So using this image, okay, you can give it any animation that you want. So how you want it to, the duration, you can increase it if you want. The delay, if you want it to delay before it bring this house, you increase it. If you want it to pause, maybe after bringing out this house, it should pause before you start another thing. So you increase this number too. So the size, I want to increase it small. This is the first page now. The second one is page 2. To get page 2, you just click on this plus button that is here. You see page 1. So after page 1, you click plus. When you click plus, this is page 2 now. So page 2 also, you need to write your text on it. You click on text. You go to your note that you have already copied. So number 2, I will now copy number 2 now. Transform your space with use of concept where quality painting and elegant POP means professionalism. So I copy it now. Page 2. All this advert. So just insert it. So you can decide to edit it if you want. I will only edit the animation. Okay. Let's just play let's play it and see. So the next thing is to put the duration. Let me change it to 4 or 3 seconds. I would like to change this hand. So I prefer using hand to write it. So I'll click one of the hand. So it's the hand that will be writing it for me. So add image to page 2 now. You click on sticker, add image. Let me increase the size small. Page 3. So going to page 3 now. We copy our text as usual. Please don't mind my voice oh. I'm already tired. Sorry. But I hope you'll be understand what I'm saying. Just copy the third one. Text. You paste it. The size. I want to change it to 60. 60. You will see that this one now is that hand that we'll be writing because we have chosen the hand for it. Let me choose 70 so as will come out more than that. So the next thing is to add image to it. Add, I'm looking for perfect image for it though. These are what you can do. You can go and search for image that can match your project. There are so many ways you can get image for your project. The first one that I will use now is Chrome. When you go to Chrome, so can you type image of POP design, POP design, to download. Aha, it has bring a lot of image for us, so you can just download any of it that you like. Simple. More images. I want the one that is very simple. Maybe this one. So just choose anyone that you like. Just long press. No, we cannot use this one. There's already a watermark on it. You can see house G and don't, anytime you want to use an image, don't use anyone that has watermark. So let's use this one here. This one is perfect. So you just download your image, download again. So the image is there for us to use. Let me search for image of painting, so that we have more image for our project of painting, wall painting in progress. I'm still looking. I've not seen the one I like. You should we manage this? Let's just choose anyone. No, we can't use this. It already has watermark. Let's use this. This one is okay. So just download it. Download image. You long press it, it will bring download image. So I will download again. So that's all. Let's go back to our project. We already have image to use now. This image now, I want it to, I've rotated it. So I want it to be rotated to that side. So I've rotated it towards that side. So I'll save it. So I will pick the new one that I just rotate. So this is it. Increasing the size. It's very good like this. After I've draw my image bold to cover all the screen now, I will now put my text on it. So the text, I've already copied it from there, so I'll just paste it. So the color that I want to give is this. Put the color dash. It's okay. So that's it. I'm done with page 3. So this is good for the text. So the next one now is to go to page 4. So we are stopping at maybe page 4 or page 5 sha. So let me just go and copy the next one. You can increase your own work to any page you want. For me, I will stop at this page 4 or 5. Let's use law of concept, redefine your space with specificity, needs work and payment finishing. This number 7, that's what I will just copy. So I'll go to text, I'll paste it. uh Or let's do it the way we do the other one. Let's bring the image first. So I've deleted it. So I'll just go to the image first. So you bring the image, this image. So we'll increase the size of the image. So the next one is the text. Okay, let's give it some animation. So I've given it some animation. So the next one is the text now. The text. So I've already copied, just paste it. So we need to resize it. It's fine like that. Let's play our work. Let's see how far we have gone. So just click on this play to see what you have done. So if there's anyone that you don't like, you can easily edit it. So after doing this, the last page that I will just add is page 5. So this page 5, I've just indicated that I'm the one that did this thing. So I'll just go to image. I will look for image like I'll be on that pins. This is the image I'm looking for. So I'll just put this image and add the text edited by Limbuki. That's I will add to it. Insert. So that's that about this app. So this is how you do your project. You can play it. So if there's anyone you don't like, you can just easily adjust it from here. So I'm done with my project. So having done with your page 5, the next thing, because I'm ending this at page 5, so the next thing for me is to just go to the music, click the music, and choose any music you want from your gallery, from your phone. Any music you want, any music that is there, just pick any music. You can also record. You can decide to record. This TTS is text to speech using AI. So you can also use that too, just to give your work any music that you want. So having done that, the next thing is to remove this watermark. This burning watermark that is here is unprofessional for you to do this kind of project, and you will now be posting it. People will now be seeing the watermark on it. So you need to remove it. So to remove this watermark, what you do is you on your data connection and you long press on it. So once you long press on it, it will bring this remove permanently or wash ads. So you can choose wash ads since you are not using any subscription. So I will choose wash ads. You wash the now that we have watched the ads, the watermark have been removed. So now the next thing for you is to download the project. So this three dot arrow that is up here beside this play icon. So the last dot, the last icon that is up here. So just click on it. It will ask you to name your movie name. You can name it the name you named before. Or you can change it anyone. So just give it a name. So once you have write any name that you want to name it, just click on make movie. You wait for some time. Having wait for some time, it will be ready for you to use, and you will see it in your gallery. Movie saves to gallery. So if you go to your gallery now, it should be there. So that will be all for today's lecture.